My name's Sarah, I work for Avery UK and I'm here to talk to you about our Design and Print Online, which is our free label creator software. And inside that software we have a barcode generator, which is a really powerful tool, and I want to show you today how you can merge spreadsheets of barcodes into that tool and have all your barcodes appear on different labels. So I'm going to make some barcode labels for some ice cream lip balm. I have an ice cream template that I'm going to put this label on. So to start, I need to click on the QR and barcodes button on the left hand side and scroll down, and there is a merge button because I have a spreadsheet which has a list of the barcodes and the list of the flavours next to it. So I now need to find that spreadsheet on my computer. So I'm going to click import data and browse for my file, and it's there. So open that. Now your spreadsheet may have a title bar at the top, in which case you probably don't want that title bar for barcodes and products in this case, to be on your merge. So I'm going to uncheck the row 1, so that information doesn't get merged into the labels. So click next. So my two fields, barcodes and product, have now come at the left, and drag my barcodes across into that. Now there is a little refresh button at the bottom right. If I click on that, I can now see that the barcodes have been brought into the systems because the sample feed has just changed. So that's just a little quick check to make sure it's happened. Click finish, and now my barcode has arrived on my label. Each one's got a slightly different number, but those numbers don't mean much to me. So I'd like to also put which flavour corresponds to which barcode. So if I click on my flavour text box and go to import data and mail merge, there's a button here called view mail merge fields. Click on that, and there's my flavour product field. I'm just going to drag that into my text box. By doing that, it automatically formats the text to the same text on the label. So now when I click through my labels, I can see I've got a cherry flavour, a banana flavour, strawberry flavour, and each one has a different barcode number as well. That's just a really quick way to show you how powerful this generator is and how you can merge your barcodes quickly using our mail merge feature. We have other demonstrations on various aspects of design and print available as well on YouTube, so check them out. But for now, I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.